Hello guys, today I will show you how to install NFS-MW 2005 KTMXhancer, the latest KTMXhancer. Now I apologize for the fan sounds, it's really hot and I don't think I'm gonna use any noise cancelling in this one because, well, I don't want to edit today. So you have all these files in the zip right here. I extracted them. Now I'll go to NFS-MW. I could make an installer and a quick launcher, but it has a lot of process, so I would rather not make things complicated trying to make it easy. So once you have all these files, let's head into script. Why? Because you might need to adjust a little bit of widescreen fix. The settings I have used in here are really good, except the only thing you're gonna change are the resolution values, because these are perfect. This always fixed the FOV and UI issues. After that, you need to right click here, go to properties, Compatibility, make sure it is set to Windows 8, run as administrator. Same thing with this one. Administrator. There will be some things you need to do inside the game, so I'll show you. Stay with the video, select this and you will select the TPF that comes with this one right here, and I'll press run. It takes a bit of time to load the textures because they're a little high quality, little too high quality actually, so let's wait about a minute. So you might want to skip the video ahead. Oh god, I do not want to edit this video. Who the hell wants to edit a video that is like tutorial? Like you're supposed to show everything. But then you have things like this, old games taking too long to load. It wouldn't take too long if you weren't using any textures. But yeah, before it used to take a long time too, but now it's even longer, which is bad. It's got a lot of bugs. I wish it was remastered by the official people or something, because no matter how much you rod, the engine is old and it cannot take much. It cannot use much of your modern PC. Still, with my latest setting, you can get uncapped frame rate, and the mod is less high-end, which makes it easy to run even on older systems. It should turn on in a minute now. In a moment, hopefully. Any minute now. Oh god. Alright, so we have our game, we have a different screen. Press continue, and we have, here we go, we have nice UI and everything. You can press carrier. Now actually what I want to show you is you don't really have to do much other than going to settings, press 2, and make sure that your full screen anti-aliasing is totally turned off. That's all you need to do. I'm pretty sure you don't need to press home and select any preset, because it is reshape.ini, the default one. So yeah, But if you feel like turning off and on depth of field, press O to do that. That's it. I'm gonna press Q and coast.